TotalSim is a full-service computational fluid dynamics or CFD consulting and solutions group providing expert services since 2009. Drawing on our automated workflows and extensive engineering knowledge and experience, we have created web-based, industry-specific self-service applications, including TS Aero, to conduct aerodynamic analysis of your vehicle. With TS Aero, you can accelerate testing and development by simplifying typical CFD simulation methods. In a few steps, you can analyze forces and flow on your vehicle. TS Aero has the capability to analyze airfoils, VTOL vehicles, and vehicles in free flight. TS Aero allows you to receive CFD expert-level results without the cost of dedicated staff, software, or hardware. Through our partnership with the Ohio Supercomputer Center, computing power, scalability, and storage for large, complex simulation is not a problem. It is cost-effective and intuitive. To create a simulation, you must first upload your geometry in STL format, and, if needed, you can set up propeller simulation using your own propeller curves. Once the geometry is uploaded, simply set up your desired run conditions. Run conditions are where you choose altitude, ground clearance for VTOL, angle of attack, roll and yaw conditions, and forward velocity. You will also select a moment center and set reference span and length at this time. Selection of the desired geometry is the last step and allows you to include different test geometry on different runs for comparison. Save your run conditions, and then take one last look at the geometry by selecting Show 3D View to make sure you have everything included as intended, and then submit your simulation. Once the simulation is complete, you can use TS Aero's suite of post-processing tools to evaluate configurations and compare conditions to gain insight on trends and performance. This example shows a large number of runs, and you can compare data output from various runs in the summary table. You can also look at a single case in more detail and look at the images and movies output for that particular simulation. Additionally, separate runs can be compared so you can see exactly what effects your changes have on the results. All the images can be downloaded as desired or pushed into a standard report format right in the application. You can learn more about TS Aero, any of our other industry-specific CFD applications, or TotalSim's consulting services at the TotalSim website, or you can reach out to us directly and we would be happy to discuss your needs.